Let's get us some fresh air, y'all. Shout out to the girl driving the ZRSTANG, man. She's back on TV again. Hold up. I'm ready for you. We got Tiana coming back up for the ones that made some adjustments. We got the cone back in the building. It's going down. Well, this a bad little thing, man. It's a bad little thing right here. Oh, it's still LS? Oh, it's a LS9, y'all. They just got the new cone 26. Let me see something. Dang, so it's still a LS9, y'all. It's the oil something.
No, it's for coolant.
Oh, it's the coolant. Oh, it's the coolant. Okay, they got 102 millimeter throttle body, everything, man. Dang, they did that cone blower. Where y'all at? Left lane, right lane. Man, I'm trying to see. I don't know where to go. Here we go. Damn, left lane for the win. Drop the chutes and everything. He ain't playing, man. He's setting off a long. I thought that was a foul. Boom, let's go. All righty, here we go. Super Mike, last name Hawk. Alright, this Tiana with the ZRSTANG. She got the ZR1 blower on it. LS powered. Dang, man, she getting that thing to hook out here. Let me look at what tire she got. All right, y'all, we got ZRSTANG coming in the building. here made a big wheelie pass a while ago. I'm pretty sure they done made some adjustments to the suspension so it wouldn't do that again.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.